Okay, now do not touch the button again.
Okay.
Go back further.
It's still snowing. Lakes are a lot bigger. It's getting windy. And we're up to almost 8 inches, about 7.5 inches. It was 6 inches this morning at about 8 o'clock, so now we're up to about 7.5. It's supposed to keep snowing through tomorrow morning, so I'll have an update in another couple hours. Can you see my feet down in the snow?
Yeah.
I'm going to steal the camera from my friend.
And try and show you. This is like the Blair Witch Project, but if you can get a look there at how much snow there is, and trying to catch all these drops of snow. I'm putting on my glasses. Oh yeah. But the flakes, they've gotten really, really big. And here's where I was standing.
And the hair is getting white.
My hair's getting white. I don't know if you can see me, but she says my hair's getting white. So, I'll have another update soon.